Hi, this is Doug with Aytwit Engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock an oven that is stuck in the locked position, and for whatever reason, the button you're supposed to use to unlock it doesn't work. In our particular case, the oven got fried from a power surge. This is a YouTube exclusive. I tried to find another person that explained how to do this. I didn't find anything, so you're in luck. You found the right video. Before we begin, this episode is brought to you by Fresh Off Brand Tooth Powder. Get some!
Yeah!
Wait, are you getting in the video? Can you see it, Lou? Yeah, not so close,
Yep.
not so close. Alright. 300 brushings, calcium carbonate, sea salt, peppermint oil.
You have to yell?
Okay, commercial over. See the link below. Ow. Done.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, so now this oven is already unlocked. I don't want to relock it because it's a pain to unlock. It might take like 5 minutes, but I can show you the basic procedure here. So Liam, bring the camera in a little bit until you can see this latch, hopefully. Alright, so you can see this latch where it is right at the top of the oven. Yeah. Now I fashioned this loop out of a clothes hanger that fits right around that latch, and you can see, you pull on this latch, and
As hard as you can.
Yeah, you have to really pull hard. I'm gonna take this again. So you have to pull on this latch really hard. It's not gonna like unlock. It's really just gonna. It wants to stay in the locked position, but it's kind of like on a spring. And to help you, you can wrap the clothes hanger. You see my hand there? Yeah, as long as you can see it. You can wrap the clothes hanger around your hand to make sort of a handle where you can really pull on it. All right, go back to where you were standing. So I was showing you how to hook the latch with the door open. Obviously the door is going to be closed, so you're going to have to go through one of these slots in the front of the oven. So it's kind of a challenge to get the loop around the latch in the first place. You're going to have to use a flashlight probably. And I was using these lock picking tools. I'm just staying safe. I was using these lock picking tools to just kind of guide the loop onto the latch. You might want to use a pair of pliers to kind of squeeze the loop to make it thin enough so you can thread it into the slot and get it around. You're gonna have to really pull as hard as you can, and obviously be opening the door at the same time. And it takes a bit of strength, so you might even need two people, one pulling with both hands on the latch. So you'll figure it out. I mean, that's the basic concept. So congratulations, you've discovered how to unlock a oven that's locked in the locked position. Exclusive YouTube video. You saw it here. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.